Hey, are you the Hulk? You're scaring me. Look at me. Oh, I'm scared of you. Oh, are you going to hit the alligator? What are you going to do to him?
Let me see what the Hulk looks like.
Oh, you look like the crocodile hunter.
Big Irwin, that's his name, Mother.
Going to chase the alligator. What are we going to do to the alligator? Come on, boy. What are you going to do? Let me see your mad face. I want to see it. All right. Be careful. You going to get him?
He's gone.
Where'd he go?
He went underwater, Caden. He's coming to get you. I'm the Incredible Hulk.
He's the Incredible Hulk. It doesn't matter. Very strong. Look at that face. He's going to get something. He's like a mighty hunter. Look at him. Look at him. It's going to happen.
A big one! A big one! A big one!
Oh, it's an
It's a
airplane.
phone.